Unusakut. It's been a tough 14 months since the pandemic started. Yeah, I hear you. Maybe you've lost your job, or maybe your job has changed and you're not even sure if you know how to do it anymore. I get it. You're trying to get ahead, but you're struggling at the same time. You're not alone. Many of us feel that way. You miss your friends, you miss your family. It's okay to say you're lonely. We all are. You're starting to wonder if this is ever going to end. Me too. How are we going to get through these trying times where it seems like we're all on a huge roller coaster and there's no way to get off? One way we can try to manage in these tumultuous times is to practice some self-compassion. What is self-compassion, you ask? Self-compassion means being warm and understanding toward ourselves when we suffer or fail or feel inadequate, rather than ignoring our pain or becoming self-critical. Lots of us have compassion for others, but many of us fail when it comes to having compassion for ourselves. When it comes to having compassion for others, do you ever notice how you have so much compassion for other people? Maybe it's a friend and they're having a difficult time. Maybe you see them struggling with some part of their life that's not going too well. Maybe you see them suffering inside over something they did to someone else and wish they could take it back. You feel compassion for them and wish there was something you could do to make them feel better. You talk to them and say, "Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. Don't be too hard on yourself." You try to be a good friend to them and not judge them. But when it comes to yourself, that compassion goes right out the window. If you do something you're not proud of, or you're having a difficult time because of some poor decision you made, you immediately turn on yourself. You might say, "How could I be so stupid? Why can't I get anything right? I'm such a loser." We all do that. But this kind of thinking, this self-criticism, does not help. The kind of thinking you need in these moments is self-compassion. You need to be kind and understanding to yourself, just like you are kind and understanding to a friend when they feel like they've done something stupid that they're not proud of. You are human after all, and we're not perfect. As Kristen Neff so aptly says, you may try to change in ways that allow you to be more healthy and happy, but this is done because you care about yourself, not because you are worthless or unacceptable as you are. Perhaps more importantly, having compassion for yourself means that you honor and accept your humanness. Things will not always go the way you want them to. You will encounter frustrations. Losses will occur. You will make mistakes, bump up against your limitations, fall short of your ideals. This is the human condition, a reality shared by all of us. The more you open your heart to this reality, instead of constantly fighting against it, the more you will be able to feel compassion for yourself and all your fellow humans in this experience of life. And as Kevin Lawson says, you can do it. Put one foot in front of the other and keep going. Take a rest, but then get up and get going again. You can do it. And I'll meet you at the next rest stop. naligivagit, and taima.